Can I get a yer? Hey Boo Boo Kittys, hey boo hey. What's good, y'all? It's the girl with the guy's name, 5'4" Head Gang, you know what I'm saying. And welcome to her Melanin YouTube boutique. I have a number of selected items that I have yet to share with you all that I will be releasing in the spring and summertime. But this is what we have so far. We have her divine luxury headbands, very comfortable, very stylish, and very classy, baby, for the baddies on a budget. Okay. Hence my baddie on a budget YouTube University. But let's get into these headbands. Let me just say thank you so much for all of your orders. I cannot express how much I sincerely appreciate you all. And I just wanted to show you ladies a bit of what we have because you guys really blessed me and surprised me. So I just wanted to show this video just to show you guys what we have left in stock, and enjoy. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you turn that notification bell on, Boo Boo Kitty. You word. And make sure that you shop her Melanin YouTube boutique. Just say, Boo Boo Kitties, anything that your heart desires, anything that you put your mind to, you can achieve endless results. Make sure that you do what you do for you. There is no competition. You are your own competition. Never ever forget, do not compare, because everyone's journey is different. Everyone is in different places in their journey, but you have to be consistent and you have to believe in yourself. Something else that you can purchase in her Melanin YouTube boutique is my wooden niche video day planners, 50 pages on a customized wooden piece, as well as a digital copy. And for those of you who are on Clubhouse, you can also download the digital copy planner of that as well to help you on stage. And of course, thank you so much for supporting my small business. Make sure that you go on her melaninpocketcameracoach.me to shop her Melanin YouTube boutique. And I'm just showcasing some of my students here. All of my students have accomplished my SEO sauce, where you land on number 1 or number 10. But in between with my SEO sauce happens each and every upload, and I teach my students exactly how to do that. You can make thumbnails like DDG, thumbnails like Missy Lynn, and channel banner arts like your coach. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you hit that notification bell. Make sure that you remember February 24th, doors open for enrollment. So I'll see you soon.